A real field watch nails three things. Read it in a glance, forget it's on your wrist, set it once, never wind it. This one does all three and it's under $300. This is a Citizen Garrison field watch, out since 2017 and one of the most affordable light-powered field watches you can buy. The case back is solid steel screwed down tight. Inside you will find Citizen's Caliber E101, a quartz movement. Oh, and it's Eco Drive. That means it runs on light. Wear it outside every day and the sun keeps it charged. A full charge can last about 6 months in the dark. Nothing to wind, nothing to replace. Accurate to 15 seconds a month, a watch you never think about. Talking about the dial, here's what I love. The seconds hand in red. On a black dial with white numerals, it's the one bit of color and your eye goes straight to it. The rest is what a field watch should be. Big white numerals, a day and date at the 3, nothing extra. Pull the crown, set the day and date, and that's it. Because it's light powered, you rarely touch it again. On the wrist, the first thing you notice is how light it is, and I mean that as a compliment. 37 mm across, under 10 mm thick, barely any weight to it. A lot of field watches now run 40 mm or more, so on a smaller wrist, this one is a rare fit. Now the honest part, a few things to flag. The crystal is mineral, not sapphire. Mine's still clean, but mineral scratches more easily, so it will show wear over time. The lume is only average. The hands hold a glow, but the numbers fade fast. On a field watch, I would want the lume to be a bit brighter. The khaki nylon strap is stiff and little scratchy out of the box, so you would have to wear it for a few days to break in, or just swap for your favorite strap. And the size cuts both ways. On a bigger wrist, it wears small and the day and date gets harder to read because it's really small, right? None of these are deal breakers though. You just want to know them going in. So, if you want an entry-level field watch from a reputable Japanese brand, accurate quartz, light enough to wear every day, and it still does everything a field watch should, take a look at the Citizen Garrison. I think you will like it. Yes, it doesn't have some of the things like sapphire crystal or screw-down crown that you would expect in a real authentic field watch, but for someone entering into the field watch for the first time or having to have something really simple, I think Citizen Garrison is a really good choice. The affiliate links below if you want to grab one. It helps the channel at no cost to you. Tell me in the comments which strap you would run, the khaki nylon or a NATO swap. If field watches are your thing, subscribe. I will see you on the next one.